Let's study vector quantities. Quantities means physical quantities. So vector quantities are physical quantities. We can write it is physical quantities. Vectors are physical quantities. Okay, it is physical quantity. What other thing to consider? It has magnitude. Okay, magnitude what? Yes, magnitude it has. Direction. Yes, it has direction. Okay, vector quantities, does it has magnitude? Yes, it has magnitude. Does it have direction? Yes, it has direction. Okay. And one more point is that they obey triangle and parallelogram laws of for addition and subtraction. Okay. Vector quantities obey triangle or parallelogram laws for addition or subtraction. Okay. These 4 points define vector quantities. At first, it is a physical quantity. It has a magnitude. It has a direction. Okay. And the last point is they obey triangle or parallelogram laws for addition or subtraction. This is a complete definition. Okay. This is defined. For example, we can say displacement. First example is displacement. We have already studied about this. The displacement is what? Displacement is magnitude of distance plus direction of distance. Okay, displacement is what? Displacement is magnitude of distance plus direction. We can say displacement is given as 5 kilometers east. What is this here? 5 kilometers east. Okay. First thing, it is a physical quantity. Yes, it is a physical quantity. It is measured 5 kilometers. Okay. Next thing, magnitude. Yes, this is the magnitude. This 5 kilometers is magnitude. Third thing, direction. Yes, this east is direction. And then this is a technical term. It obeys triangle or parallelogram laws. We will study it later. Okay, these two are the laws for addition and subtraction. In scalars we already seen what they follow for addition and subtraction, simple algebraic rules, simple rules of algebra in scalars. But in vectors, this is the difference, they obey triangle and perpendicular laws for addition subtraction. This its algebra is different. Vector follows a different algebra. Scalars follow different algebra. Scalars follow simple algebra. It follows triangle rules, parallelogram rules, and some others. We will see it later. Okay. Now we see how to represent representation. How we represent a vector. This is the notation. We can say either it is a small letter and a arrowhead. A small letter and one arrowhead. It can be a capital letter and one arrowhead. Okay. We represent it by arrowhead. Simply we should remember we represent a vector by arrowhead. Okay. Representation by arrowhead means what? Arrow on the head. Arrowhead representation. This is vector quantity means it is represented by arrowhead. Okay. Thank you.